Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature one of the hottest hair trends that remains a classic style throughout the years, the bob haircut. And for those looking to keep things long but still short, the lob haircut. These two fast-growing hairstyles remain king when it comes to highly requested hair options for women to try. Both the lob and the bob haircut can instantly elevate your style, and it's sure to turn heads when entering a room. If you feel inspired by any of these haircut ideas featured in today's video, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, and of course be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you never miss a hair video. And without further ado, let's take a look at some of the most popular lob and bob haircut ideas that you can try this spring and summer season.